Have you ever wondered how airports number their runways? Is it random, or is it a special identifier? Did the designer just like the look? And why do pilots hate when they see runway numbers above 36, like runway 99? Let's find out this mystery in today's plane chat. To begin, runways are not random numbers. They are actually the magnetic heading of the runway rounded to the nearest 10 degrees. So a runway heading of 270 is runway 27, 332 is 33, etc. Runway numbers actually change with time due to the movement of the magnetic poles. Runway 33 one year might be 34 the next. Multiple runways on the same magnetic heading also have additional identifiers to avoid confusion. If there are 3 runway 33s, the left will be 33L, or left, the right will be 33R, or right, and the center will be 33C, or 33 center. So there you have it, the basic numbering of airport runways solved. No magic there. Do you have any questions you want answered? Let us know with a like and a comment below, and remember, please subscribe to help us out. And as always, happy landings.